Let's be honest. Buying a house in America today feels a little ridiculous. You open Zillow, see a house listed for $850,000, get excited, click on it, and realize it's basically a fancy garden shed with great potential. Somehow, the kitchen hasn't been updated since 1978, the carpet is older than the internet, and the realtor still calls it move-in ready. Meanwhile, your grandparents casually remind you, "We bought our first house for $35,000. Thanks, Grandma. Very helpful. But here's the good news. America is still full of places where homeownership isn't just a dream. Hidden across the country are towns where houses are still affordable, neighborhoods are friendly, traffic lasts about 3 minutes, and your monthly mortgage won't require selling a kidney. Today, we're counting down 25 U.S. towns where you can actually afford to buy a house. Some are surrounded by mountains, some sit beside beautiful lakes, some have booming local economies, and a few might completely change where you want to live next. Stay until number 1, because it might just be the best housing bargain in America. Let's begin.
Number 25, Clovis, New Mexico. We'll start in eastern New Mexico. Clovis isn't flashy. There aren't celebrities walking around downtown. You probably won't bump into a movie star at the grocery store. But that's exactly why many people love it. The average home price here is still well below the national average. The town has a strong military connection, thanks to Cannon Air Force Base, creating stable employment and supporting local businesses. Life moves at a slower pace. Neighbors know each other, and rush hour is basically waiting behind 3 pickup trucks at a traffic light. If affordability is your top priority, Clovis deserves a closer look. Number 24, Gadsden, Alabama. Nestled along the Coosa River, Gadsden combines small-town charm with surprisingly affordable housing. Historic neighborhoods, riverfront parks, and nearby mountains give the town plenty of character. Many homes cost less than what you'd pay for a down payment in some major cities. Sure, you may not have 5 different vegan sushi restaurants nearby, but your mortgage payment might actually let you enjoy life. Funny how that works. Number 23, Decatur, Illinois. Located in central Illinois, Decatur has quietly become one of America's more affordable housing markets. The city has manufacturing jobs, healthcare employers, and plenty of parks. Home prices remain surprisingly reasonable. You won't find Hollywood glamour, but you'll find something that's becoming even rarer, a house with a backyard you can actually afford. Number 22, Enid, Oklahoma. Enid proves you don't need a massive city to have a comfortable life. The downtown has been revitalized, healthcare and agriculture support the economy, and housing prices remain among the lowest in the country. If you're looking for peace and quiet, Enid delivers. Just don't expect traffic. The biggest delay in town might be a tractor crossing the road. Number 21, Danville, Virginia. Danville has spent the last decade reinventing itself. Former tobacco warehouses have become restaurants, apartments, and entertainment venues. New businesses continue moving into town, and compared to much of the East Coast, housing remains remarkably affordable. It's the kind of place where your dream home still has a realistic price tag. Imagine that. Number 20, Terre Haute, Indiana. Terre Haute offers one thing that's becoming increasingly difficult to find: value. The city has several colleges, growing healthcare facilities, and plenty of historic neighborhoods. Many homes sell for less than the price of a luxury SUV. Think about that. One gets you transportation. The other gets you an actual place to live. Easy decision. Number 19, Joplin, Missouri. Joplin has made an incredible comeback after the devastating tornado of 2011. Today, it's a modern, resilient community with new neighborhoods, expanding businesses, and affordable housing. Residents enjoy low living costs, excellent parks, and easy access to the Ozarks. It's proof that resilience can build something even stronger than before. Number 18, Muskogee, Oklahoma. If you've never heard of Muskogee, don't worry, a lot of Americans haven't. And that's exactly why it's still affordable. Located in eastern Oklahoma, Muskogee offers historic neighborhoods, low property taxes, and home prices that make first-time buyers breathe a sigh of relief. The town is known for its friendly community and annual events like the Renaissance Festival. Plus, the Arkansas River is nearby for fishing and boating. Sure, you won't find Beverly Hills shopping, but you also won't need Beverly Hills money. That's a pretty fair trade. Number 17, Pueblo, Colorado. Now here's a surprise. Colorado isn't exactly known for cheap housing, but Pueblo is the exception. Located about 2 hours south of Denver, Pueblo gives you mountain views without mountain-sized home prices. The city has a growing economy, a beautiful riverwalk, and over 300 days of sunshine every year. Not bad, especially when your mortgage isn't competing with your grocery budget. If Denver is the luxury SUV, Pueblo is the reliable pickup truck. Still gets the job done, costs a whole lot less.
Number 16, Pittsburgh, Kansas. No, not Pittsburgh with an H. This is Pittsburgh, Kansas. And yes, people spell it wrong all the time. Home prices here are among the most affordable in the Midwest. The town is home to Pittsburgh State University, giving the local economy a steady boost. Downtown has been revitalized with local restaurants, breweries, and shops. It's one of those places where life feels simple, in the best possible way. Number 15, Elmira, New York. When people think of New York, they picture Manhattan, skyscrapers, yellow taxis, apartments that cost more than a private island. Elmira couldn't be more different. Located in New York's southern tier, this small city offers affordable homes, beautiful parks, and easy access to the Finger Lakes region. History lovers also know it as the hometown of Mark Twain. Your neighbors probably won't be celebrities, but your mortgage payment won't be either. Number 14, Huntington, West Virginia. Huntington sits along the Ohio River and has quietly become one of America's hidden bargains. Marshall University brings energy to the community. Healthcare provides stable jobs, and historic neighborhoods are filled with charming homes at surprisingly low prices. The downtown continues improving every year. It's proof that affordable doesn't have to mean boring. Besides, river sunsets are free, and they're usually better than anything on Netflix. Number 13, Springfield, Missouri. Springfield often flies under the radar, but maybe that's a good thing. Home prices remain reasonable, healthcare and education fuel the economy, and the Ozark Mountains are practically in your backyard. Outdoor lovers can spend weekends hiking, fishing, or exploring caves. Meanwhile, people in larger cities are spending that same weekend looking for parking. Number 12, Erie, Pennsylvania. Lake Erie isn't just beautiful, it's affordable. Erie combines waterfront living with housing prices that are well below the national average. Residents enjoy beaches, parks, wineries, and 4 distinct seasons. Winter can be snowy. Okay, very snowy. But think of it this way. Snow is free landscaping. Everything looks expensive once it's covered in white.
Number 11, Topeka, Kansas. Our final stop before cracking the top 10 is Topeka. As Kansas's capital city, Topeka offers government jobs, healthcare, education, and one of the lowest costs of living in America. The housing market remains remarkably affordable despite steady economic growth. You get larger homes, bigger yards, and enough leftover money to actually furnish the place. Imagine buying a house and still being able to afford a couch. That's the American dream right there. Number 10, Lima, Ohio. Cracking our top 10 is Lima, Ohio. Once a major manufacturing hub, Lima has quietly become one of the Midwest's best bargains. Home prices remain surprisingly affordable, while healthcare, manufacturing, and education continue supporting the local economy. The city also offers parks, museums, and a revitalized downtown. Sure, you won't spend every weekend stuck in traffic, mostly because there isn't much traffic. And honestly, that's becoming a luxury. Number 9, Jonesboro, Arkansas. Jonesboro has become one of Arkansas's fastest-growing cities. Unlike many affordable towns, this one isn't shrinking, it's expanding. Arkansas State University brings students, businesses, and new opportunities. Healthcare is booming, new restaurants keep opening, and home prices are still well below the national average.
It's the kind of place where your real estate agent smiles because they know you can actually afford the house. Number 8. Beckley, West Virginia. If you love mountains, fresh air, and affordable homes, Beckley deserves your attention. Located in the Appalachian Mountains, Beckley offers beautiful scenery and one of America's lowest housing costs. Outdoor adventures are everywhere: hiking, fishing, whitewater rafting. And unlike big cities, finding a parking spot isn't considered an Olympic sport. Number 7. Wichita Falls, Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, except the home prices in Wichita Falls. This friendly North Texas city offers affordable neighborhoods, excellent schools, and steady employment through Shepherd Air Force Base. Life here feels relaxed. Neighbors wave, kids still ride bikes around the neighborhood, and your mortgage payment probably won't give you nightmares. The summer heat? That's another story. You'll become best friends with your air conditioner.
Number 6. Cedar City, Utah. Now we're getting into some seriously beautiful places. Cedar City sits among stunning red rock landscapes and mountain scenery. Known as the gateway to the national parks, it's close to Zion, Bryce Canyon, and Cedar Breaks. Despite growing popularity, housing remains more affordable than many Western cities. You get incredible scenery, clean air, and star-filled skies. Good luck explaining those photos to your friends. No, that's not Photoshop. Number 5. Muncie, Indiana. Muncie is one of America's most underrated college towns. Ball State University keeps the economy moving, while healthcare and manufacturing provide stable jobs. The housing market? Incredibly affordable. Many homes cost less than a down payment in cities like Los Angeles or San Francisco. Imagine telling someone, "I bought an entire house," instead of, "I bought permission to rent a studio apartment." Number 4. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Hattiesburg is quietly becoming one of the South's rising stars. The city combines excellent healthcare, universities, growing businesses, and affordable neighborhoods. It's filled with local restaurants, beautiful parks, and a vibrant downtown. Life moves a little slower here, which means people actually have time to say hello instead of pretending they didn't make eye contact. Number 3. Grand Junction, Colorado. Now here's a hidden gem. Grand Junction sits on Colorado's western slope, surrounded by dramatic red cliffs, vineyards, and mountain views. Compared to Denver, housing is significantly more affordable. Outdoor lovers have endless opportunities for hiking, biking, rafting, and exploring nearby national parks. Basically, your backyard becomes your entertainment, and Mother Nature doesn't charge admission. Number 2. Florence, Alabama. Florence proves that small-town America is alive and well. Located along the Tennessee River, Florence offers beautiful waterfront views, historic neighborhoods, and surprisingly affordable real estate. The downtown is full of local shops, music venues, and southern restaurants. And yes, sweet tea is practically considered a utility. People are friendly, life is peaceful, and buying a home still feels achievable. Imagine that. Number 1. Springfield, Ohio. Taking our number 1 spot, Springfield, Ohio. Over the past several years, Springfield has quietly become one of America's strongest values for homebuyers. Average home prices remain dramatically lower than the national average. The city offers beautiful historic homes, expanding manufacturing jobs, healthcare opportunities, and easy access to Columbus and Dayton. Neighborhoods are seeing new investment. Downtown continues improving, and buyers can still find homes that would cost 3 or 4 times more in larger metropolitan areas. Is Springfield perfect? No town is. But if you're looking for one of the best combinations of affordability, opportunity, and quality of life, it's hard to ignore. Sometimes, the American dream isn't disappearing. It's just hiding in places most people forgot to look. So, which of these affordable towns surprised you the most? Could you picture yourself buying a home in one of them? Or is there another hidden gem we should have included? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more affordable towns, hidden gems, travel guides, and fascinating places across America. Thanks for watching. And remember, your dream home might not be in the biggest city. It might be in the small town you haven't discovered yet.
We'll see you in the next video.